As the expectation for this first trade fair, for us is really for the artisans to really learn about the market, to get a good incentive of what is the market demand and the expectation, that they can go around the fair and really understand what is going on in the market, what kind of product sells, and get the trends. And this is really a lesson learned for the first participation. That's the highest expectation.
And I think we are both quite happy with the first 2 days. There's a lot of improvement from last year's participation, and from the marketing side, I'm particularly happy that also the price level of the products is more suitable now for the market. It's a very big difference to how we tried to start last year, and I think we are happy that we have a good group of 4 exhibitors with interesting collection. We got good feedback, good first initial contacts with some buyers, and I think it's a very good promotion also for Tajikistan, and it's okay for the world market.